It's so foggy, we can't even see anything. We are going slowly. Oh, there's a truck. Bridge. Oh, borok dong, truck. Such a dangerous trip. We can only see up to 50 meters. Eh, borok pun. Oh, punya kan ini apa? Fokus kaji. Borok nuk saja.
Over time yang go iko.
We can only see. Busung meter nungak laisang 30 meter busung nungak laisang. Ay 30 है ना? Ay 30 meter ya, 30 meter के पहले 1 meters.
नहीं 10-15.
Asal dah no, I don't think so. Around 5-10 meters. We can only see up to 10-15 meters ahead. In the phone it looks little more clearer, but actually it's worse. Bike. Oh my goodness. We have hills, slope both side, and if we take a wrong turn anywhere, we can just fall down. It's totally dark, and we are actually going in between the jungle, so it's even more worse. Quite down, huh? It's 10:42. See anything. Even the high beam doesn't help because the fog is above the ground.
Fog level is up on
Yeah. But careful. Tree. There's a fallen tree, and we are using low beam because the fog is above the ground. And we are just trying to get as much visibility possible. Ooh, finally home after such a dangerous trip.